everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the fan controls in a Kia Sportage. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, these are the fan controls, otherwise known as the air controls, in a Kia Sportage, and I'll be showing you how to use them. It's really easy and straightforward, but I'll be outlining all of the things that you can do. So we're going to start over here on the left side, and on the left side over here, we have on this side over here, which is the left side. I should do it with my left hand. It'll actually be a little bit easier and it'll make more sense. So over here, if we're looking at the fan controls, which are basically in the center of the center console over here towards the lower portion, if we go from those fan controls in general and we go to the left, on the left side over here, we have this right here, which is the fan speed. You can turn it up and the fan will go faster. You can turn it down, okay, and the fan will go slower. All the way to this side is off, okay? So you can turn it sort of at a low speed all the way up to fast speed, and then completely off if you want, which is all the way down over here, okay? And we're going to turn it to a low speed, and you can see when I turn it off, those lights turn off, okay? When I turn it back on to a low speed, the lights turn back on, which is really cool. If we go to the other side over here, this is your temperature control. So very simple. You go all the way to this side, you're going to get cooler air. All the way to this side, you're going to get warmer air. And then in between, you're going to find your spot in between the coldest and the warmest setting. And obviously max AC over here, it says max AC, which stands for maximum air conditioning. If you go all the way there, you're going to get your maximum air conditioning, which, you know, if you live somewhere that's very hot, it's going to be very useful. Okay, I'm going to turn it just slightly off of the max AC setting, just because it's a little bit easier to show you some of the other features. So if you look over here, okay, this right here signifies if you want to recirculate the air in the vehicle or get sort of fresh air from outside of the vehicle. When it is turned off, you're getting fresh air from outside of the vehicle. When it is illuminated and you turn it on, you're getting recirculated air in the vehicle. So use it at your discretion, whichever version of it you want, okay? This is your AC button, your air conditioning button. You can turn it off and on as needed. Kind of use your judgment to see what you want to do with it. Very simple. Okay, this is your rear defroster button. When you hit this button over here and that light is illuminated, your rear defroster will turn on and it will defrost your rear windshield. Okay, I'm going to turn it off because it's really hot now. I definitely don't need the rear defroster on. Okay, this and then these basically are going to be your various settings for where the fan will be blowing. Okay, so right here is your front windshield. So if you hit that one right there, the air is going to be blowing out of your front windshield. Okay, and only your front windshield if you hit that button right there. And the cool thing is when you turn that mode on, it automatically changes other settings, right? It's pretty cool. So let's say you even had, I believe if you have this on, I think it's going to turn it off. Yeah, so when you go to that button, it turns other settings on and off as needed, which is really cool. So that's your front windshield fan, basically. The fan will direct the air towards the front windshield over there, okay? I'm going to turn that off. And then over here, we have the other options. So right here, you have the front windshield and the feet. You can hit that one right there. Here you have just the feet. Here you have the sort of upper area and the feet, like the head and the feet. And then here you have just the upper area or just the head. Very simple and straightforward. Those are all of your options, and you can obviously use them together. So you can choose your fan speed, you could choose your temperature, you can choose your air conditioning on or off, you can choose, you know, like recirculating the car air or fresh air from outside. You could choose whichever, you know, fan direction you want. It's up to you, but you can use all those things together to control the fans and the air in a Kia Sportage. And that's it. I actually have nothing else to say for this video tutorial. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.